Did you know that flat maintenance charges of up to Rs 7,500 are GST exempt? Also, you don't have to pay GST in some cases, even if your monthly maintenance charges exceed Rs 7,500. Yes, there is a lot of confusion regarding GST on activities of resident welfare associations or RWAs and cooperative housing societies. Hence, to give you better clarity, we present this video in a question and answer format. Hi everyone, I'm Annapurna from Clear, where we offer products to manage GST compliance for more than 4 lakh growing businesses and more than 3,000 large enterprises. We create videos regarding how to tackle GST compliance for businesses. So please do subscribe to our channel to keep yourself up to date about latest GST changes. Let's learn about GST on flat maintenance charges in detail. What's the GST exemption limit for maintenance charges collected by an RWA? The exemption limit for maintenance charges is Rs 7,500 per month per member. What will be the exemption limit if you own more than one flat in an apartment? The limit of Rs 7,500 per month per member shall apply separately to each apartment owner and not per member living in the apartment. What happens when your maintenance charges exceed Rs 7,500? According to the latest CBIC circular, you have to pay GST on the entire amount when the flat maintenance charges exceed Rs 7,500. However, in July 2021, in the case of TVH Lumbini Square Owners Association, Honorable Madras High Court ruled that GST must be charged on the amount collected over and above Rs 7,500 and not the entire amount. So we must wait and see how government takes this matter to the apex court. Does RWA need to register under GST and collect GST even though the turnover is less than Rs 20 lakhs or an applicable threshold limit? No, RWA is required to obtain GST registration and collect GST only if the maintenance charges are more than Rs 7,500 per month per member. The aggregate turnover of RWA is more than Rs 20 lakh or the applicable threshold limit in a financial year. Please click on the link given in the description to know more about the applicable threshold limit. Now let's see the possible scenarios using a table. Suppose the aggregate turnover is not crossing the threshold limit and maintenance charges are not more than Rs 7,500 per month per member. The RWA is not required to register under GST and collect GST. Suppose the aggregate turnover is crossing the threshold limit but maintenance charges are not more than Rs 7,500 per month per member. The RWA is not required to register under GST and collect GST. Suppose the aggregate turnover is not crossing the threshold limit but the maintenance charges are more than Rs 7,500 per month per member. Even then, RWA is not required to register under GST and collect GST. When the aggregate turnover is crossing the threshold limit and the maintenance charges are more than 7,500 per month per member, the RWA shall register under GST and collect GST only from the members who have maintenance charges more than 7,500 per month. I hope you're able to understand how GST would be levied on maintenance charges. If yes, please write clear in the comment section below. If not, please ask your doubts in the comment section, we'll clarify them for you. What charges are to be excluded while checking the Rs 7,500 limit? Property and water taxes collected on behalf of government shall be excluded from the maintenance charges while calculating the Rs 7,500 limit. Also, non-agricultural tax and electricity charges collected under different statutes shall be excluded. Can RWA claim input tax credit or ITC paid on inputs and services? RWA can claim ITC related to capital goods such as generators, water pumps, lawn furniture, etc. Goods such as taps, pipes, other sanitary or hardware fittings, etc. Input services such as repair and maintenance services. Is the exemption available where flats are occupied for commercial use? Yes. The exemption is available even when flats are occupied for commercial use. The purpose for which members are using does not impact the exemption. I hope we've answered all the questions relating to GST on maintenance charges. If you have any more questions about this topic, Please mention them in the comment section of this video so that we can answer them for you. And if you'd like to file error-free GST returns and claim 100% tax credits, try Clear GST solution. Click on the link provided below in the description of this video to request a demo now. Do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for further GST updates. Thank you.